unpacking has commenced. I'm here. Nice finding stuff that you haven't seen for a while. To tackle those clothes. Hello, you two are so confused. And then the closet. Terrified. Okay. Box to take. Donate. Let's do round one. And then I can fold it, sort it, and I do it in categories. So I go skirts, tops, jackets, jumpers, whatever. The Tahiti shorts, this was from one of our first collections, those high-waisted shorts. Okay, so far, state of my room. I've done tops, shorts, skirts, jeans, long sleeves. I've done every section bar a couple of items floating in this side. I've done all my maxi dresses. My whole bathroom is done, so I've just got these ones. I think I'll have one or two more with jackets and swim. All kitchen items. I've just given this one a shower. She is so pissed at me.
Oh, you're on the pillows again.
Yay, love that.
I told you to get off those pillows.
We're just living in an actual tiff at the moment. Oh. Update. I've done all of these now. It's literally just the clothes that I've packed to wear. Glasses, that's clean and clear. My last thing is my jewelry. We've pretty much packed everything, so I'm at the point now where I'm taping up and putting a description. So the easiest way to do it is write the room to go to, so the removalists drop it into that room, and then you write a little description of what's in there. Makes unpacking so much easier. Front, lounge. Okay, makeup. Let's see how this fits. Okay, we're good. So I actually don't know where I'm going to put my makeup in the new house. I don't know whether I'm going to put it in my... Are you stuck out there? You want to come back here? Oh, Mommy locked you out there, did she? I think I'll put my makeup in my closet. Because I'm going to have like my bedroom. I'm going to, like this house, I'm going to have a separate room that's a closet. I'm getting a proper wardrobe built in though, which I'll show you guys. Get it like properly measured out and built in, because this one I just bought from IKEA and it didn't quite fit the space and it wasn't the best use of space. Bags are so easy to transport. Like, hot tip, you can get these from Bunnings or Hardware or $2 shops, and they're just so easy to carry. You can feel so much more and your clothes don't get squished and creased. So next up we have toiletries. What's up, please, sir? I've separated bathroom into like body tan, hair and skincare. Being able to like have the opportunity to donate as much as you can and give away as much as you can, rent boxes, use the least amount of plastic. I use paper to pack stuff up. It's just better, because otherwise you feel like when you're moving you're just being so unsustainable. So as you can see, all my closets are empty. I'm actually in shock that I did this closet on my own. Like, I've had so much help from my mum. My mum came over and helped, but she's done all the kitchen and like been more out there. And the fact that I did this whole closet on my own, which sounds so dramatic. Suitcase here going of the clothes that I'm going to be wearing this week. I am going to sleep here Sunday, Monday, because then I'm going to throw my linen and all my sheets. That's why I don't really care that the dogs and all the boxes are on the bed. I'm going to throw all of my linen into a bin bag, and I'll just take it to mum's and I'll wash it there, fold it up so it's fresh to go in the new house, and then the removalists wrap all of that up. So I'm gonna sleep here for the next 2 nights and then I'll be out of here Tuesday. It's pretty crazy. The way that the settlement works is that I settle on the same day as the people that bought this house settle, and then the people that I bought the next house from settle on the same day as the house that they bought. So it all happens on the same day, which means you kind of need to have all of your stuff picked up the day before so that you can have the cleaners in at first thing in the morning. And that then leaves me contingency once the cleaners come to come in, check it, make sure everything's okay, which hopefully that won't be the case. Hopefully it'll be spick and span. I kind of want to like buy the people that bought this house like chocolates and leave them flowers, but I don't know if that's like kind of creepy. I feel like that's probably inappropriate, so I probably won't do that, but I'd love to just say, welcome to the best apartment. It holds so many good memories. No, closet, dresses. We're getting through it, guys. I'm getting hot. So I'm so excited as well to bring you guys along on the moving in process more than the moving out. Like I feel like this can be kind of satisfying to watch, but I haven't really filmed myself packing much and slash organizing. Like I want to, when I move into the next place, I want everything to be so easy that whoever's helping, like mom, Nick, whoever comes over, I want it to just be like, makes so much sense. Like it's all in like a good order. You want to make sure you set up your space nicely, because I feel like once I set it up from the beginning, that's how it stays the entire time I live there. Mum is like, something about mums, they just get it. Like they just do it quickly, they're so efficient. And like if she wasn't here, I'm in the zone now, but if she wasn't here, I would just be procrastinating. Because surprisingly though, all of this has only taken me 2 days. I do have my garage to do still, but I'm gonna go to my parents this afternoon just to have a nice dinner, because I have been inside this house and I've got cabin fever. I'm pale, I look like a vampire. You know when you just marinate and you're ugly, like you go through moving and you're just so happy to be ugly. Bar me doing the products before, like a couple of weeks before, we got it all done this weekend. So I'm just going to work as usual. I've got some meetings. I have to just finish packing my suitcase, because there's some stuff that's just sort of miscellaneous around the house. And then tomorrow the removalists come. That stays in the truck overnight, and then Thursday morning we have all of our pre-inspections, pre-settlement inspections. All electricity, internet, everything's been switched over. So tonight is my final night in the apartment. It's been so weird, like the house is completely boxed up and it's just me and Bambi, and it's very bittersweet. I'm quite sad about it because I love my apartment, but I'm also so excited for this next chapter. Licky lunch. Final night. Wouldn't be my last night without some chocky and some chips. Is it your last night here, Bam? Oh my god, you are gonna hate. We're gonna pick you up and we're gonna take you to the office. You can say hi to the girls, but you're... Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hey guys. Okay, it's game day. Fuel with the Cali Press chili chicken. I already ate half in the car because I'm impatient as fuck. Spicy mayo, provolone cheese, chicken, spinach, avocado, tomato. It's delish. Freshly washed sheets. This is the bag that I'm going to be putting them in, so hopefully they all fit. Okay, it's all going. A couple of things left. It'll probably finish up by 9, but I'll be back tomorrow, 6 AM. Let the cleaners in. This is all that's left. The bedroom is empty. Last couple of things. Alright, it's 10 PM, let's go home. Good morning! It's 6 AM. I'm off to the house to let the cleaners in. It is settlement day. Fingers crossed settlement happens nice and early and I get to go in and show you guys. I'm also so overpacking and boxes, so I really... I can't be able to unpack this afternoon, but I think once we get into the swing of it, it'll be good. Oh, she's mad. Are you in Mummy's office? Are you in Mummy's office, fam? Go exploring. It's good because we've got this door so we can close her. Hi, what's going on? She's like, where the hell am I? Look at you two twitting. You're so funny. Alright, we have a house! That usually is really hard to pull off. Oh my god, I love you. So proud. Yeah! Going there now? Like, do you get your keys now? I've got to go now, yeah. What do you think, my love? Where are we?
This is the downstairs of the bathroom.
Perfect shot for you. Skincare videos. How good? Can't wait to show you guys. Of course, we've got to have pizza, garlic prawn, which is all fallen. The wings. Your garlic prawn's totally... Oh, everything's totally fallen. Good morning. Do you want to go outside? You can go out there if you want. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come outside. Yeah. Could I be lemon lime? I've just ordered myself an acai bowl and a coffee. I'm gonna eat it in bed because I deserve it. It's my first morning. I'm just gonna enjoy this first morning alone in this house. Hello, darling. What do you have there? A little ball. Do you like your little house? Oh, what do you got there? What do you got there? And what do you think? Are you pretty happy? Was that a big weekend? Yes. I think the exhaustion from the last month has finally caught up to me. I'm on my way to work. I'm tired. So excited. But I have basically zero furniture in the house still. A lot of James Lane pieces are coming, some Fenton and Fenton. So I have to wait a couple of weeks for those. And then also my wardrobes, I have to build those, so I can't put my clothes away. So I'm at a bit of a standstill with the house. It feels very empty and ghostly, but it's still so fun to be there. Holly finally moved in, which was fun because I was there for a couple of nights alone, which felt really weird. But yeah, now it's all about the furniture, styling, decor. I want to do like a little series. Like I want to do a little series on TikTok showing like the before and afters of each room, but also I'll obviously bring you guys along. It won't really be a series. I'll just show you in my normal vlogs. And then I just want to feel settled. Like I do not feel settled in the house yet at all. Like it doesn't feel like home yet, so I'm excited for it to feel like home. But I've got quite a lot of travel coming up. So I'm going to New Zealand in next week, go to Cabo in July. So I'm just off to work. I've got a couple of meetings. I've got some really fun collabs we're working on for summer, and yeah, they're really great collabs. I'm actually excited for this summer. I think it's gonna be so fun for 1 mile. I was looking at a store in Byron Bay actually, but I'm not going to pursue that because I like to have my store set up ready for summer if it is going to be in more of a coastal destination, and I don't think if I was to sign a lease in Byron now that I could get it done, like get the fit out done before October. So next year we'll definitely see a store. I know Byron's technically in New South Wales as well, but we were also looking at around James Street, Brisbane, looking in Gold Coast, like Burleigh, maybe that sort of area, or maybe Sorrento in Victoria, because I do want to do Melbourne, but I feel like Sorrento really suits 1 mile. Vote down below, where do you want to see the next 1 mile store? We're always looking, like I'm not rushing, I just need to wait for the right space to pop up and see the next store. I'm going to finish this vlog off here though, and I'm going to start a new fresh vlog because all my furniture is going to be arriving next week. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. I can't wait to show you guys the transformation, the before and after, and more of the house. I'm so excited! Love you guys and see you next time. Mwah.